So I've been wanting to get an AeroGarden for so long, and I finally did it. We stayed at an Airbnb that had one of these, and that is what finally convinced me to get one. So I wanted to do this review to maybe convince some of you guys that these are really cool and totally worth it. You can grow so many different things in these. We decided to start out with just the basic herb set that it comes with, as we use a lot of these in our home already, but there is also a salad starter kit. There's multiple different things. A lot of people grow cherry tomatoes in these. So with this particular setup, you can do up to 6 plants that can grow up to 12 inches tall. If you didn't know, these grow in just water. There's no dirt in this machine, which is really cool. It is a completely hydroponic system. And you just pretty much set it and forget it. It has a digital panel on the front that's going to tell you when it needs more water or plant food. But so far, this has been the easiest little indoor growing herb garden thing I have ever done. I'm horrible with plants, and these plants are not only still alive, but they are growing and thriving. It has a full spectrum 20-watt LED light, and that's what it uses to simulate the sun to get your plants growing rapidly. The nice thing about this is you can set this wherever you want because it has a sun simulator. It's such a fun little setup. I've been debating for years on getting one of these, and now I want to grow lettuce and cherry tomatoes, so I may have to get another one. I love that you can use this to grow indoors all year round. If you're looking for a great way to get your indoor garden started, we recommend this.